Alright folks, just got something new in from Saunders Machine Works. This is something they just came out with. Look at that packing job. We'll get to these in a moment. That flyer fit perfectly in there. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Bye-bye garbage. We get to you. If you haven't checked this out, you ought to. Proven Cut's pretty sweet. I like that. Already got that though. Oh, look at there. There's information. And most importantly, I need that. It's pretty sweet itself. You over there. You right there. Now, for the meat and potatoes. What? More garbage. Appreciate that packing job, but it just all gets thrown away. Looky here. Alright. If I remember correctly, this is the fixed jaw. And if y'all are wondering why I bought this, especially since they market it for the tag, it's because I happen to have this Pearson pallet that I have already. Ooh, look at that. That's going to work. I've already got a grid pattern on that is 0.75 inch centers, which means I can do this right here, or I can do this right here, or here, or so. And ultimately, what I'm thinking is to end up with a couple of them on here for smaller parts. Can hit the button, pull the pallet out, set it to the side, put the other pallet that's loaded and ready to go, hit the button, and then I come over here and I fiddle with these fellas here and get my parts out and swap them around. And okay, these are soft jaws. Basically, they go right there. I'm not even going to open those yet because I don't need them and I want them to stay organized. I am going to have to re-drill slightly different thread size on those, but that's not a problem as I already have it in my CAD system. It's just a matter of changing a drill and tapping a lot of holes. Remember, safety first, folks. Always away from you. And here's the bits that make it work. Tiny vices, right? No, those are Carlane. These are Modvise. So anyway, one there, one there. And as I mentioned, these are soft jaws. They market this as the back side of these are soft jaws also. So I can unbolt this, flip it around, use it as a blank bar, but I can cut a soft jaw pattern into this and have it bolted up. Because all the stuff I do is small. Okay, they market this for the tag due to its small, compact size. Saunders Machine Works offers a fixture plate for the tag now with the 0.75 inch spacing bolt pattern, 1/4 inch with 1/4 inch ring dowel holes. Ooh, no I can't. Okay. Anyway, I got some work to do. We're going to get this fixed up, get it set up, put some parts on here. And like I said, I'll probably be getting a couple more. Maybe a thrice more. Let's see here. This is the fixed jaw. This is the movable jaw. It's loose right now because I have yet to set up a piece of stock. In fact, it's the first time I've run a screw into this hole since I modified this for 1/4 20. Let me just throw that over there. That makes it better. Get this a little closer, because it took me a minute to kind of wrap my head around how we set this up. All right, like I said, fixed vise. There's a bar that runs back here. This one ain't going nowhere once it's bolted down. Although this can be flipped and used as a soft jaw right there, or you can use these soft jaws. All right. Now we loosen this ever so slightly, and it allows this to locate that way. I've already roughly set up this for that right there. Now, we want to test her out and make sure we're going to get a bite. There we go. Because when we tighten these down, we want this to drive that jaw forward. So it looks like a pretty decent spot. And there we go. Well, as you can see, the Talon grips have done their job and gripped Talon-like on the built-in parallel set of this piece of junk aluminum. That's no light piece of pallet either. I don't even have all these holes tapped yet. I just wanted to get this set up so we could get a test done. Now, let's head to the machine, which is right here.